starting with exercise 5.3, solve each of the following equations. First one is x square plus 3 is equal to 0. So how will you solve? X square is equal to minus 3. So earlier cases we will just say that it doesn't have any real root, therefore no solution. But here, now in this case, what we have to do is x square equal to minus 3 means x is equal to plus or minus root of minus 3. Okay, root of minus 3 means it is plus or minus I root 3. How? Because root of minus 3 is root of minus 1 into root 3 and root of minus 1 is denoted as I, so it is I root 3. Okay, so your solutions are plus I root 3 and minus I root 3. Okay. Second question is 2x square plus x plus 1 equal to 0. Here you have a is equal to 2, b is equal to 1, c is equal to 1. First we will go for what is b square minus 4ac, which is equal to 1 square minus 4 into a into c. So you are getting 1 minus 8, which is minus 7. So you can see that it is less than 0. Now the solution, therefore x will be minus b plus or minus root of. You can just directly apply this formula, that is also easy, or else you can just use I into root of 4a square ac minus b square also, which we have already dealt with. In this case, if you are applying like this, you have to just mention the value minus 1 plus or minus this as minus root 7. Root of minus 7 you are getting here, minus 7 inside the root, then 2 into 2. And getting minus 1 plus or minus, this will be written as I root 7. Either you can do in the other way, which has the formula minus b plus or minus I root of 4ac minus b square by 2a directly, or else you can use the same formula which you have already studied as your quadratic formula and replace the values. So that root of minus 7 will be written as I root 7, and this is your answer or solution. Third question is x square plus 3x plus 9 equal to 0. Here you have a as 1, b as 3, c as 9. So that your b square minus 4ac will give you 3 square minus 4 into a into, okay. So you are having 9 minus 36, which will give you minus 27, again less than 0. So you can use therefore x as minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a, which is equal to minus b minus 3 plus or minus root of minus 27 divided by 2 into 1, which is 2. That means minus 3 plus or minus I root 27 by 2. Then root 27 can be written as 3 root 3. So you will get minus 3 plus or minus I into 3 root 3 by 2. Okay. Fourth question is minus x square plus x minus 2 equal to 0. Here again a is minus 1, b is 1 and c is minus 2. b square minus 4ac will give you 1 minus 4 into a into c. So you have 3 negatives, so you will get minus 8, which is minus 7 less than 0. Now x will be minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a, which will give you minus 1 plus or minus root of minus 7 by 2 into minus 1, which is equal to minus 1 plus or minus I root 7 by minus 2. If you want, you can take it inside, then you will get 1 minus or plus I root 7 by 2 also. Fifth question is x square plus 3x plus 5 equal to 0. A is 1 here, b 3, c is 5. Then b square minus 4ac will give you 3 square minus 4 into 5 into 1, which is 9 minus 20, which is equal to minus 11 less than 0. Therefore, x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a will give you minus 3 plus or minus root of minus 11 divided by 2a, 2 into 1, okay. So you'll get minus 3 plus or minus I root 11 by 2 is your answer. Clear? Sixth question is x square minus x plus 2 equal to 0. Here a is 1, b minus 1, c 2. So b square minus 4ac will be minus 1 the whole square minus 4ac which is 1 minus 8 minus 7 less than 0. So your x, that is the solution, will be minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a, which is equal to minus of minus 1 plus or minus root of minus 7 by 2, which is equal to 1 plus or minus I root 7 by 2. Okay. Seventh question is root 2x square plus x plus root 2 equal to 0. So a is root 2, b is 1 and c is again root 2. So b square minus 4ac is, you will get 1 minus 4 into root 2 into root 2, which is 1 minus 4 into root 2 is 2. So 4 into 2 is 8. Again negative 7 less than 0. So your x is minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a, which is minus b will give you minus 1 plus or minus root of minus 7 divided by 2 into root 2, which is minus 1 plus or minus I root 7 by 2 root 2. Okay. Or else you can use this method also, that is the direct formula for finding out your x, which is minus b plus or minus I root of 4ac minus b square by 2a. Replacing the values directly, you will get the answer minus 1 plus or minus I into, inside the root you will get that positive quantity, that is 7. So the answer is minus 1 plus or minus I root 7 by 2 root 2. So that way also you can do. Eighth question is root 3x square minus root 2x plus 3 root 3 equal to 0. Here a is root 3, b is minus root 2, c is 3 root 3. So b square minus 4ac is root 2 the whole square minus 4 into root 3 into 3 root 3, which is root 2 into root 2 will give you 2 and negative will become positive. So it is 2 minus 12 into root 3 into root 3 is 3. So 12 into 3, which is 36. So you'll get minus 34 less than 0. Therefore, x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a will give you minus b, minus of minus root 2. So it will become plus root 2 plus or minus root of minus 34 by 2a. A is root 3. So you'll get root 2 plus or minus I root 34 divided by 2 root 3. Okay. Ninth question is x square plus x plus 1 by root 2 equal to 0. So here for the ease of calculation, we'll just take the LCM, so that this will become root 2 x square plus root 2 x plus 1 equal to 0. Now here a is root 2, b root 2, c 1. So b square minus 4ac will give you root 2 the whole square minus 4ac will give you 4 root 2. Okay, which is 2 minus 4 root 2. So you can see that this is 4 into root 2. Root 2 is 1 point, so you will get a negative number only. So this is less than 0. Therefore, x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a will give you minus b minus root 2 plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac is your 2 minus 4 root 2 divided by 2 into root 2. Now, since we know that this is negative, we can take out that I from this term, so that we will write it as 4 root 2 minus 2 divided by 2 root 2. Okay, now what we will do is just take, see, here you have root 2, here you have root 2, here from this one also you can take out. If you are taking out 2 from these two terms, it will become root 2. So you will get minus root 2 plus or minus I into root 2 into the remaining term will be here left with 2 and here 1. So it is 2 root 2 minus 1 divided by 2 root 2. Now you can cancel throughout that root 2, so that it will become minus 1 plus or minus I into root of 2 root 2 minus 1 divided by 2. Okay. 10th question is x square plus x by root 2 plus 1 equal to 0. So again we will take LCM and make it as root 2x square plus x plus root 2 equal to 0. So that your a is root 2, b is 1, c is again a root 2. So b square minus 4ac will give you 1 minus 4 into root 2 into root 2, which is 1 minus 4 into 2 or 1 minus 8 minus 7 less than 0. Therefore, your x will be minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a, which is equal to minus b will give you minus 1 plus or minus root of minus 7 divided by 2 root 2. It's minus 1 plus or minus I root 7 by 2 root 2. Okay.